Okay, all these things, all these things are useful to maintain your business data, to maintain your business data. Okay, now, actually, before computers generation, how we are maintaining the data? The data is maintained in the form of books. If your data is vast amount of data, if your data is vast amount of data, we are unable to manage it in the form of books. Then after computers, we are maintaining the data in the form of flat files. Flat files are nothing but notepad file or Excel sheet. So there is a disadvantage with the flat file. For example, if the flat file has 1,000 lines, if you are searching any data, all 1,000 lines will be searched. If the flat file has 10 million lines of data, if you are searching data, all 10 million lines of data will be searched. It will take long time. So search time is very long. To reduce the search time, we are using RDBMS. So what is the benefits of RDBMS? See, in case of RDBMS, we can store huge amount of data at one place securely. There is a lot of security with RDBMS. Next one, we can search data as much as fast, and also we can manage the data easily, right? So now my question is, I hope you understand what is RDBMS. RDBMS purpose is store data, access data, manage data. My question is, sir, what is data? What is data? Right? See, data means it is a collection of raw facts. It is a collection of raw facts. Right? What is a raw fact? It is a collection of raw facts. Okay. What is a raw fact? Anyone? See, first student name, second student phone number. Listen carefully. First student name, right? Second student mail ID. Third student phone number. How many values? 3 values. All values are valid, but they are not related to single student. Individually value is valid, but collectively there is no meaning, meaningless. Okay, that is called as a raw fact. Understand everybody? Now, sir, what is information? What is information? Anybody? Let us see. Processed data. Processed data is known as information. Sir, what is processed data? First student name, first student email ID, first student phone number. It is the details of the first student or not? That is called as information. Just observe the difference between first one and second one. In the first example, raw facts, values are valid, but values are not related to single object. Student means object. Understand? Okay. Processed data, if you arrange values in a meaningful way, that is called as information. Right? Now, what is Oracle? RDBMS. What is the use of Oracle? Store data, access data, manage data. Understand? So what is data? Just now we have discussed. What is information also discussed. My next question is, where is the data? Where is the data, or where is the information? Let us see. Data will be generated from business. Data will be generated from business. Let me write that point. Data will be generated from business. Sir, what is business? Business is a collection of objects. Business is a collection of objects. What is object? Object is also known as entity. Object is also known as entity. Let me take one business. Suppose ICICI Bank. Is it a business or not? Do you have employees in the bank? Employees are working under departments, and bank is providing different types of accounts. Accounts availed by some customers. Customers are making transactions. See how many objects here, right? Employee, department, account types, customers, transactions. Only we are considering 5. Like that, so many objects are there in the business. So business is a collection of objects. Objects are also known as entities, right? Now see this diagram, you will understand very clearly. So already we have explained what is Oracle, right? Now come to here. Here you should observe some points here. Let me take this part. Actually, this is the diagram designed by me only for the previous batch. Okay. What is business? Collection of objects. Do you have here? See, everybody say here. Do you have employees in the business? Employees are working under departments. Okay. Suppose Amazon is a business. Amazon is selling products or not? Products sold to customers are making products manufacturing by. Hope you understand. So actually, theoretically, I have taken one example from the bank. Similarly, there is one more example from e-commerce. Clear? Suppose you are employees in one company, right? What is the information of employee? What is the information of employee? Employee ID, employee name, salary, designation, project ID, department ID, join date, Aadhaar number, PAN number, email ID, gender, job status. All these things are information related to one employee or not? 100 employees means how many lines? 100 lines. Right? 1000 employees means how many lines? 1000 lines. Suppose if there are 400 employees means 400 lines. So employee data finally stored into database. Understand? Similarly, department data is also stored into database. So all these objects data will be stored into database. Remember this point, don't miss it. All the information of all these objects will be stored into database. Clearer? Sir, if I store the data like this, what is the advantage to the business? See, the business people maintain the data securely. First point. Second point, the business people at any time access data as much as fast. They will maintain data securely. They can access data as much as fast. They can manage the data easily. Right? Let us assume we are talking about Amazon. What is the business? Amazon. So Amazon is maintaining all the information at one place or not? That is called as RDBMS. Clearer? What is the benefit to the client? Client means you and me and so many people. Client or customer or end user, all these persons are known as clients, right? What is the benefit to the client? See here. Suppose first customer, he want to buy AC. Second customer, he want to buy mobile. Third customer, he want to buy TV, right? 3 customers are making 3 requests. That request will be passed to, web server. In the web server, what kind of programs we have? Three, see, Java programs, .NET programs, and Python programs. What are the programs in the web server? Java or .NET or Python, right? So if suppose I am the first customer, I want to buy AC. Before buying AC, can I check the details of AC product or not? So first customer, assume that I am the first customer. I am looking for AC. My request is passed to web server. In the web server, who will receive my request? Java program. Then Java program communicate with database server. Understand everybody? So if I make any request in the web page, the request is passed to web server. From the web server, the request is passed to database server. Okay. In the database server, listen carefully. In the database server, there is a lot of information. Employee information, department information, product information, customers information, orders information. So many details are available or not. What we are looking for? AC, right? Can I say AC is a product or not? Product. So somebody is searching AC details. In the database, all objects information is available. From that information, somebody is searching for AC details, right? So it find out some details. That details again pass it to Java program. From here again pass it to web page. So the end users can get information easily or not. In online, suppose if there is no online, you want to buy a shirt, you want to buy a dress, then what we have to do? We will search nearby best stores or not. If there is no nearby best store, I am unable to purchase. Understand? If online facility is available, from anywhere you can buy the product or not, the scope of the business will be increased. The customers can easily get the information. Suppose you want to go to your hometown. Will you book a ticket in the bus or train or flight or not? Right? So, are you really visiting the nearby reservation center? No. We can do everything in our mobile. Open the application, give the details, check the availability. If it is available for your date, you will book in the mobile easily or not? Means way of communicating with the business is easy. Understand everybody? That is the benefit of online facility. Clear? So here, see, if you make any request in the web page, from the web page, the request is passed to web server. From the web server, the request is passed to database server. In the database server, database program is receiving your request. It will identify the information. That information again giving back to Java or web server. From here, the information is going back to web page. Clear? Okay. Now, let us see. Sajid Ramji. So this is only for Java full stack developers. So you have some experience. So this course is not suitable to you. Okay. Let us see. Here, this type of architecture is known as client server architecture. Sir, what is client? We are the customer. Customer can see the application, but customer don't know what is happening beyond the application. Again, I'm repeating, customer can see the application. So customer application front end. In the back end, web server is there and also database server is there. So front end part is known as the client part, first box. And the backend part is known as server part. That's why it is called as a client server architecture. Remember, client server architecture. Understand everybody what is the use of RDBMS nowadays? Now, sir, okay, database program is doing the backend task. What is a program? Anybody? What is a program? Program is a collection of statements. Program is a collection of statements. What kind of statements we can write? Two types of statements. One is SQL statement, another one is PLSQL statements. Okay, program is a collection of statements. What type of statements? SQL and PLSQL. So in Oracle, you are learning about SQL and PLSQL. Clear everybody? Right. Now, let me explain. So data is, okay, data is generating from business. That's fine. Now, I want to explain about RDBMS definition. Listen carefully. What is D? D for data. Already completed. What is data? What is data? Collection of raw facts. Right. Next one, DB. What is DB? Database. What is DB? Database. So collection of information of all objects. Collection of information of all objects stored at one place. Stored at one place. That is called as database. What is next one? DBMS. First point D, next DB, next DBMS, last RDBMS. Let us see what is DBMS. DBMS means database management system. See, so a database along with data management services. Data management services. That is called as DBMS. Immediately we have a question. Sir, what are the data management services? Right? See, data management services means adding data. First point. Second point is deleting data. Third point is change data. Fourth point is authentication. And fifth point is security. Adding data, deleting data, change data, authentication, security. Sir, what is the meaning of adding data? For example, you are working in a company. Present 10 employees are there. Tomorrow, your company is recruiting 5 employees. Present how many employees? 10 employees. 10 employees information available in the database or not? Tomorrow, your company recruited 5 employees. 5 employee details added into the database or not? That is called as adding data. Suppose in your company, one of your old employee, he got a better opportunity. He will shift the company or not? In that case, if any employee gone away, from your company, you can delete the data. Right? That is called as deleting data. Next, some employees in your company are seniors. They will expect some increment in the salary or not? Already they are having salaries. Those are old salaries. Old salaries replaced with increased salaries or not? That is called as, I hope you understand. If any person coming into the company, add data. If any person leaving the company, delete data. If any person he got increment, change data. Right? Now, coming into bank example. Banking example. Do you have bank account? Are you login into bank account in online? Are you login into bank account in online? Yes. Before login, you are submitting two values, username and password, right? Who is providing username and password? Bank. In the beginning time, bank is providing username and password or not? Of course, later you are changing the password. But initially, business is providing username and password or not? So what is the use? By giving username and password, business is permitting you to access your account. So authentication means getting permission from business. Understand? If you have username and password, you are authenticated. If you don't have username and password, you are not authenticated. So authentication means getting permission from business. And last one, security. I hope all of you having bank accounts. Will you access other accounts? Others can access your accounts? Impossible. That is called as security. Okay. So in this way, we can manage the data. By adding data, deleting data, change data, authentication and security, we are managing our business data. That's why it is called as DBMS. What is next one? And the last one, what is this? RDBMS. What is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. Listen, it is a collection of related information of all related objects, that is called as RDBMS. Okay, sir, what are related objects? You are employee in the company, definitely you are related with the department or not? Compulsory or not compulsory? Compulsory. You are relating with department. So let me take a department here. Related objects. Suppose there is a product. Product must related with company. Without company, product manufactured? No. Okay. Then see, next one. Suppose there is a customer. He want to buy a product. If he want to buy a product, he will make an order or not? Order is also related to product or not? Yes. All these things are known as related objects. Understand? Now, generally, who is the author of RDBMS? Who is the author of RDBMS? So, Sajid, Ramji, Razmi, we don't have any advanced course right now. Yeah. Let us see what we are discussing. Who is the author of RDBMS? See, so the author of RDBMS is E.F. Codd. E.F. Codd. Actually, he is a research scholar on the databases. He defined 12 rules. How many rules? 12 rules. If any database software satisfying Codd rules, that is called as RDBMS. If any database software, so many databases are there. If any database software satisfying this person rules, then it is working as RDBMS. Okay. And one more point. In any RDBMS, data is stored in the form of tables. Sir, what is a table? The table is a collection of rows and columns. The table is a collection of rows and columns. What is a row? Row is known as record. Row is known as record. What is column? Column is known as field. Remember these points. Again, I am repeating. I hope you understand what is RDBMS, right? Then in the RDBMS, data stored in the form of table. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Row is known as record. Column is known as field. Row means horizontal information. Okay. Column means vertical information. So let me show you that point here. So here we don't have. Okay. Okay, no problem. I will open and one more application. I will explain. So present. Let me explain the importance of relation. The importance of relation. What is the importance of relation? Let me show you here. Suppose let me take company. It is one table. How many companies in my business? How many companies in my business? Okay. CMP ID, CMP name, country. CMP ID, CMP name, country. This is first table. And here I want to enter some values. CMP1, company name is Sony and company country is Japan. CMP2, company name is Wipro. The country is India. And CMP3, company name is Samsung and South Korea. How many companies you have? 3 companies. Let me close this. This is your table. And this is the first column. This is the first column. And this one is last column. One moment. Just a moment, guys. I want to adjust the values. Okay. This is your table. In this table, you have 3 columns. So first column is the company ID, second column is the company name, third column is country. Every company is manufacturing some products or not, right? Okay, let me take that product table. Product table. Okay, here we have some product table. It was filled. What is our table name? Product. What are the columns in the product? What are the columns in the product? That is product ID, product name, cost. Just 3 columns I am maintaining. How many columns? 3 columns. Right. Here, let me enter the values. Product P1, it is a TV. The cost is suppose 45,000, 45K. Product P2, it is a mobile. The cost is 20K, 20,000. And product P3, and it is a, let me take a shampoo. The cost is 175. Next, product P4. It is AC. This is from 60K. And product P5. This is from, okay, what we have to take, AC, TV, mobile, any other product? Laptop? Okay, laptop. So that's a 50K. Listen, this is the another table. This is another table. Now, what is the point we are discussing? Just recall that we are discussing the importance of relation between the objects. We are discussing the importance of relation between objects. See, actually, company is producing products. So product and company both are interrelated. Product and company both are interrelated. If there is no relation, what is the drawback? If there is relation, what is the advantage? Let me explain. What is the company name of laptop? All of you check the diagram and answer me. What is the company name of laptop?
Samsung.
How do you say Samsung? Laptop means it is a value from product table. In the product table, do you have company name? No. So we don't know. Without company name, are you ready to buy the laptop? We are not interested, right? What is the company name of TV? We don't know. How many products from Wipro? We don't know. Are you missing the information or not? So if you don't want to miss the information, we need one relation between objects. We need a relation between objects, right? How to get relation? Before that, I am explaining technical points. Take care. Okay, let us see. Company product, who is first? Company na product?
Company
is first. Without company, we don't have the products. Am I right or not? Company first. So company is called as parent. What it is? Parent. Remember, company is known as parent. Okay. Company parent. So product is, can I say it is a child or not? Okay. So child can acquire properties of parent. Child can acquire properties of parent. Clear, everybody? What are the properties of the parent? 3 properties: company ID, company name, country. How many assets are there? 3 assets. So child can take the assets from the parent or not, right? So child is taking which asset? Child is taking which property? This is the property. This property coming into child table. This is the most important point for any RDBMS. Okay, so let me take one more property. Property is nothing but a column. Remember, property is nothing but a column. What is the name of the property? What is the name of the property here? CMP ID. This is the name. CMP ID. So TV is from Sony. Let me take CMP 1. And what is next one? Mobile is from CMP 3. Shampoo is from CMP 2. And AC is from CMP 3. And last one, laptop is from CMP Three only. I hope you understand. Now tell me, what is the company name of TV? What is the company name of TV? Sony. Through company ID, are you identifying or not? How many products from Samsung? 3 products. What is the company name of shampoo? Wipro. What is the company name of mobile? Samsung. Did you understand my point or not? This is known as relation. What it is? Relation between the tables. Without the relation, we are missing the data. With the relation, we will never miss any data. Clearer? Let me explain. Just I want to apply technical words. Company is parent, I am saying. So in the company table, company ID is a primary key. What it is? Primary key. In the product table, company ID is a foreign key. Actually, primary key, foreign key, it's a very big concept. We will discuss in the coming up classes. So present, I have explained about relation. That's why I used the technical words also. Understand? So this is about the importance of relation between objects. Without relation, we are missing the data. With relation, we are not missing any data. Right? Now tell me, what is Oracle? Oracle is a RDBMS. What is the use of RDBMS? Store data, access data, manage data. Store data in the form of table. Table is a collection of row is known as record. Column is known as field. Right. So RDBMS is okay. Where is the data? Data is generating from business. Data is generating from business. Business is a collection of objects. Object is also known as entity. I hope you understand up to here. So, like Oracle, is there any other RDBMS softwares? See, RDBMS examples. First example, our subject, Oracle. Second example, SQL Server. Third example, DB2. Fourth example, RDS. Fifth example, PostgreSQL. And so on. So many databases. Okay, Oracle is from Oracle Corporation. And SQL Server is from Microsoft company. DB2 is from IBM. RDS is from Amazon. PostgreSQL from Postgre company. Do you have smartphones? Different people are using different company smartphones or not? All are smartphones. According to customer interest, they will use the smartphone. They will select the smartphone company. Understand everybody? Similarly, according to client company requirement, they will select any one of the RDBMS software. But any RDBMS is useful for store data, access data, manage data. We can do all these activities. We can do all these activities by using database programs. Database program. How to write a program? We can write a program by using set of statements. Some statements are known as SQL statements. Some other statements are known as PLSQL statements. Okay. Now we have to discuss about these two. What is SQL? What is PLSQL? SQL, structured query language. What is SQL? Structured query language. So it is a language What is the purpose of any language? What is the purpose of any language? See, database program is equal to, can I say SQL plus PLSQL? Understand? What is SQL? What is SQL? Structured query language. What is the use of the language? To communicate with database. To communicate with database. Okay. So by using SQL, what we are writing? We will write SQL queries. We will write SQL queries. Sir, what is PLSQL? PLSQL means procedural language. Procedural language. By using PLSQL, we are writing to write programs. What is the use of a program? To perform. Program is useful. Program is useful to perform any one task. Any one task. Like suppose, do you know how to use ATM? Do you know withdraw money? Swipe the card, withdraw money, you have taken money. Your balance will be changed or not? You are in Hyderabad, your account is in Delhi. Assume that your account is in Delhi, means your balance is available in Delhi. If you make any withdrawal operation here, your balance will be affected or not? Who is changing your balance? Program. Database program. So withdraw is one business transaction. Every business transaction, we will write one PL/SQL program. Remember. Understand everybody? So in our training, actually Oracle means both SQL and PLSQL. So, but our batch is Java full stack developer batch. So we are discussing limited topics that are useful for Java full stack developer. Understand everybody? And see, online guys, this is not complete Oracle course. This course is only limited for Java full stack developers. And
sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm not interested in Java and I don't have any Java experience.
Okay.
I'm a beginner. So I want to start my journey as a database administrator, system administrator, like.
Okay.
So with
So
SQL.
then first you need to get the knowledge of a database, and
Okay.
then you need to get the information about administration.
Okay. So if I don't go with Java, so can I go with only database?
Yes, you can also you can also get a job as a database developer.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. So is this
actually,
course?
of course, what's your good name?
Sir, Mohammed Safiq, and
Yeah,
I'm from
Shafi.
Saidol district of Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah. Okay, Shafi.
Yes.
Here is one problem. I strongly don't recommend DBA positions right now.
Okay.
Why? Because DBA positions are very limited number of positions nowadays.
Okay.
So it is better to select any developer stream. Maybe it is a Java developer or maybe it is a Oracle developer. It's up to you. But always choose development side positions.
Developer side positions. So
don't go for the administration. If you are interested, it is better to go for cyber security also.
So are you providing any course and any information, sir? So I
Like
can
which course?
like cyber security and Oracle developer.
No, you need to check the information in online.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So this is the end of our session for today. Tomorrow we will continue with SQL part. And I'm saying all of you guys, online people and offline people, recordings are not available for the students. This batch is only limited for Java full stack developers. Actually, they have posted one poster like Oracle SQL and PLSQL with 5,000 fees. So that is not happening here for this batch. If you want the complete Oracle, please wait for some days to get the complete Oracle batch. This is the batch related to only full stack Java development. I hope you understand. That's all for today. Thank you, all of you. See you tomorrow. Yeah, Soumya, this is not a paid course, Soumya. Actually, this course is related to Java full stack developers. That is also, I think, free course.
Okay, so this is free course, sir.
Can't hear you properly. Please speak loudly.
It is free course, sir.
Yeah. I think it's a free course for full stack Java developers in Ashok IT.
Actually, I joined in core Java and advanced Java courses, sir.
In Ashok IT?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
already
then
joined.
it is a free of cost to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, what about the online people?
What about the
Online people?
online people? Only you joined for Oracle course?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So full stack Oracle course will be started as early as possible. That information will be posted into Ashok IT website within few days. I think it will take 1 week to 10 days to start a full stack Oracle course.
Yes, sir. These free classes will be continue up to how many days?
No, this free class is only for full stack Java people.
So that is only up to offline people only.
Maybe if there is a chance, you can attend. Please make a call to Ashok IT office number.
They have released the poster. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. So just make a call to them, then they will confirm. If they allow you, then you can attend. No problem.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay,
Sir,
right.
if you don't mind, can I take 2 to 3 minutes more, sir? I'm little bit confused, sir. Actually,
Yeah,
I'm
tell me.
practicing SQL and PLSQL, but I don't have any much knowledge about Java and anything like programming language. So he told me like